Your multiplayer games Discord server can be much more than a place to find teammates. It can be the heartbeat of your community, so let's make it thrive. Multiplayer games are all about teamwork. So, what's step 1? Voice channels. Create dedicated spaces for team communication during gameplay. But then let's take it up a notch by implementing role assignment systems based on in-game rank or position. This makes forming teams smooth and intuitive. Your Discord server is more than just a lobby, it's a command center. Nothing brings players together like a bit of friendly competition. So host regular competitions and tournaments from within your server, but then keep the fun rolling with scheduled play sessions where members can casually drop in and game together. These events don't just entertain, they create lasting bonds. Here's the deal. No one likes to play solo in the multiplayer world. Create looking for group channels so players can easily find teammates. Add region-specific channels to connect members in similar time zones and to reduce latency issues. Your server becomes the ultimate hub for matchmaking. For the competitive spirits, give them a place to shine. Create ranked discussion channels where players can exchange tips and strategies. Set up areas for scrimmage coordination so that teams can set up practice matches. This isn't just about playing, it's about leveling up. Now, let's talk tech. Use stat tracking apps to display leaderboards, match histories, and personal stats. It's motivating and it adds a professional touch. And for those epic tournaments, deploy event management tools to handle registrations and reminders. This makes running your Discord server as seamless as playing a well-balanced match. Your server is not just about the game, it's about the people. Create off-topic channels for discussions that go beyond gaming, and also create spaces for sharing in-game clips, screenshots, or memes. These touches ensure for a vibrant community in which friendships can grow. Here's a critical one. Set up clear rules and moderation to ensure respectful behavior. When conflicts arise, because they will, have a conflict resolution system in place. Having a safe and welcoming environment will mean that members keep coming back. When you combine coordination tools, exciting events, matchmaking support, and a positive vibe, your multiplayer games Discord server becomes much more than a community, it becomes a second home. It's not just about playing together, it's about growing together.